Good morning, dear student. Welcome to the class. Now I am going to continue the lesson Northern Mountains. Understood? In our previous class, we discussed about Himalayas. Understood uses of the Himalayas and also which are the states located in the region of Northern Mountains. These are all information we discussed, especially in the matter of state. We discussed about Jammu and Kashmir in our previous class. Is it right? Now I am going to explain about the Himachal Pradesh. This is also another one state located in the region of Northern Mountain. This capital is Shimla. This is one of the very beautiful place located in the northern, especially that northern mountain regions are very beautiful because some places are covered by the snow. Some places are having an hill stations. Got it? That is one of the main attraction to the tourist. In the Himachal Pradesh also, there is many different hill stations are there like Shimla, Dalhousie, Kullu, Manali. These all are the very famous and beautiful hill stations, and it is attracting the tourists every year. And another one attraction in that Himachal Pradesh means that is toy train. They have given that picture in page number 19. Got it? Toy train means that is connecting Kalka to Shimla. Got it? Means it is carrying people Kalka to Shimla. Means to look that hill stations. Toy train means it is carrying that people from Kalka to Shimla. Means that is one of the tourist attraction, that toy train. ಆ ಟಾಯ್ ಟ್ರೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಜನರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಹಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿನ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ Himachal Pradesh. And also here climatic condition means it is very suitable to grow that fruits. Got it? Some regions are suitable for growing vegetables. Some regions are suitable to grow crops like that. This region is suitable to grow variety of fruits. They are growing fruits like that apple, cherry, plums, apricots, like this. Any other fruits also growing in the region of Himachal Pradesh. Artha aitalva? Yes, that are traditional clothes. How we discussed in Jammu and Kashmir. Quran, that is one of the traditional cloth in Jammu and Kashmir that people are wearing. Is it right? Yes. What about this Himachal Pradesh dressing style? Traditional cloth means that women are wearing tight pajamas and also loose kurtas. What is the traditional cloth for women in Himachal Pradesh means they are wearing tight pajamas and also loose kurta, and they are wearing that scarf. Got it? Around their head. That is one of the traditional dressing style for the women living in the region of Himachal Pradesh. What about men? What is the dressing style of traditional clothing style of that men means in this region? They are also wearing the tight pajamas and also loose shirt. Women are wearing loose kurtas. Men are wearing loose shirt and tight pajamas, and also they are wearing a colorful caps. This is one of the traditional dressing style, traditional cloth of the region of Himachal Pradesh. Understood? Then what are the languages they are speaking in that? Hindi, especially in the region of northern side. Hindi is one of the official language. Understood? In Himachal Pradesh also Hindi is one of the official language, and also they are speaking that Pahari. That is regional language. Understood? Pahari is regional language. Hindi is official language. They are speaking these all famous languages, popular language in this state. Okay. Then what are the festivals they are celebrating? Main festivals means that is Dasara and Diwali. How we discussed in previous state, Jammu and Kashmir. Is it right? They are celebrating also different. In this state, very famous festivals are Dasara and Diwali. Understood? This is the information about Himachal Pradesh. Now we discussed about capital city and climatic condition and which type of fruits they are growing and dressing style. These are all information we discussed in the state about the state of Himachal Pradesh. Understood? Yes. Next is Uttarakhand. Next state is Uttarakhand. Yes, this is also another one state located in the region of Northern Mountain. Got it? This capital city is Dehradun. Which is the capital? which is capital for this Uttarakhand means that is Dehradun. Yes, this is also one of the region of hill stations. Got it. In Uttarakhand also many variety of beautiful hill stations are there, like Nainital, Kumaon. These all are the very important hill stations. These are also attracting to the tourist every year. These hill stations, especially that slope region. Got it. This Uttarakhand is one of the region of the slope region. We already discussed about that divisions of the Himalayas alva. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ ಥರ ರೀಜನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ನೋ, ಈ ಥರ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಇದಿರತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಉತ್ತರಾಖಂಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅನ್ ಥಿಕ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಉತ್ತರಾಖಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅನ್ thick forest. Got it? Thick forest. Thick forest means many different variety of trees are growing there. What are the trees? Means pine, oak, deodar, fir. These all are the trees growing in the region of Uttarakhand, especially in the region of that slope areas of Uttarakhand. Understood? Yes. That is having a thick forest means that is commonly it is home for variety of birds and animals. Is it right? That in that thick forest many different birds and animals are living. Understood? That is about the forest region in the Uttarakhand. And also in this region, in the place of Uttarakhand, that is having many tourist attractions, tourist places like Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath, Kedarnath. These all are the very important tourist places. Understood? In the ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಉತ್ತರಾಖಂಡ್. ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಗಂಗೋತ್ರಿ, ಯಮುನೋತ್ರಿ, ಬದ್ರಿನಾಥ್, ಕೇದಾರ್ನಾಥ್, ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರ. ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ in these region peoples also going to see that all places every year. Got it? That is one of the very important and also very important holy places. Understood? Yes. Next about another one state now we are going to discuss means that is located in the region of northern mountains, that is Sikkim. Another state is Sikkim. Yes, which is the capital city of that Sikkim means Gangtok. Is it right? You must learn that all state name and also their capital cities. That is must. Okay. Before going to start another lessons, you must learn about that all states of India and also the capital cities. Understood? Yes. In Sikkim, this is capital is Gangtok. And also what we discussed in previous lesson about that highest peak in India. Okay, that is which is the highest peak in India, that is Kanchanajunga. It is located in the region of Sikkim. Understood? Kanchanajunga is located in the Sikkim. In this, Kanchanajunga is one of the third highest peak in the world, first highest in the region country. Understood? Kanchanajunga is first highest peak in India, third highest in world. Okay. Yes. And also in this region many different tribe peoples are living. Tribe people means ಕೇಳಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಜನಾಂಗ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರಲ್ವಾ, that is tribe peoples. They have given some tribe names also here, that is Lepcha, Bhutia, Nepali. These all are tribe peoples. Got it? These all are the name of tribe categories. Understood? Tribe peoples. They are living in the region of Sikkim. And also what is the traditional cloth style, dressing style means that women are wearing that long skirts, long skirt, that is called a baku. Got it? That long skirt is known as baku. That is the traditional dressing style of women, those who are living in the region of Sikkim. Understood? And also they are wearing that colorful jewelries, colorful jewels, that also especially made from the beads. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆ ಜುವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ that is made from the beads. Understood? Yes. Next one is West Bengal. Next state is West Bengal. Now we discussed about 3 states. Is it right? First is Himachal Pradesh. Another one is Uttarakhand. Next is Sikkim. Now we are going to know about the West Bengal. Then which is the capital city of West Bengal? Means that is Kolkata. Is it right? West Bengal capital city is Kolkata. This is also one of the hilly region, hill station. This is also having many different hill station like Darjeeling, very famous and beautiful hill station located in the place of West Bengal. Understood? Darjeeling. Have you heard that name Darjeeling? Very famous hill station, that is Darjeeling. And also in that slope region, there are which is the main crop in the region of West Bengal. Means in that slope regions they are growing tea. Tea is one of the very famous crop. Understood? Yes, they are growing in the region of slope areas. This is information about West Bengal. They have not mentioned to detail. Understood? This much information only covered here. In the place of West Bengal, they are speaking in the speaking language as Bengali. Bengali is one of the regional language for them, and also they are speaking that Hindi and other languages. Bengali is one of the regional language. Understood? Yes. Okay, dear children, today this states information enough. I will continue about that northeastern states. What are the states located in northeastern part of India? In my next video, we can discuss about that states. Okay, thank you.